Welcome to the Week in Review. This is Fed Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and we're reviewing the week of August 26th to August 30th of 2024. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's Nvidia that had its corporate earning results this past week. And although they did beat their revenue forecast, however, moving forward, they did guide lower, sending the stock down over 9% from $127 to almost $115 a share. Now looking at the rest of the markets, starting out with the Forex symbols, the euro retraces close to 100 pips versus the US dollar this past week, while we saw the British pound and the Australian dollar showing some strength and not giving up any of its gains. Now looking at the indices, the Dow Jones back on its highs, while the NASDAQ showing some tremendous weakness really on the back of those tech stocks. Now shifting over to commodities, gold trading in its upper range between 25.30 and 25.15-ish level. And as we look at the stocks, it's JP Morgan that traded to all-time record highs this past week to $222 a share, while we saw the tech stocks really wavering and showing some tremendous weakness. Now lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin retracing below 60K to its lower range. Now looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we start out the week on Monday, September 2nd. The U.S. markets will be closed in observance of Labor Day. Now they will be reopening on Tuesday, September 3rd. And from the United States that day, we have an ISM Services PMI number coming out. Now on Wednesday, September 4th, first from Australia, we have a GDP, gross domestic product number coming out. And from Canada, the Bank of Canada will be having a rate statement. Now looking from the United States, we'll also have a JOLTS job opening for that day. Now on Thursday, September 5th, from the United States, we have an ISM manufacturing PMI number coming out. And lastly, on Friday, September 6th, from Canada, we have an unemployment change number. And from the United States, we have a very important non-farm payroll number coming out, which will be a preliminary number for our next FOMC rate statement, probably that next week. So that's it for the Week in Review. We'll see you here next week. Have a good weekend, everybody.